Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram verification code not received problem. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open on your phone settings, and now what should you do? You just need to find out apps or apps management option. So my phone have only apps. Open it, go to manage apps and find out Instagram. So where is Instagram? I just try to find out. Just scroll down, you can see there is Instagram. So I just open this, and now you need to go on permission and you need to allow everything like that. You need to do it like that. You need to do it like that. So after doing that, if you want try to get a verification code, you can get or you can receive your verification code on Instagram, and in this way you can fix the Instagram verification code not received problem. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.